Hello. Packing for the K-show already?
Yes, there are a lot of new developments that need to be wrapped up.
Do you need any help with the new center waves?
No, not really. The center waves are always ready to go.
That's true. And what is this? Giant pallet?
I don't know. Marketing team just said wrap it up as well.
We can really see the contamination inside. Are we serving this delicious food again at our booth?
Yes, I just found the menu.
This looks great. The only thing missing is our customers.
We've managed it well again. I think this is the beginning of a beautiful exhibition.
Yes, I'm really excited. Did you check the traffic?
No, but don't worry. By October 19 we will surely have arrived. I think this is the beginning of a very good exhibition.
Yes, I'm really excited.